Hello, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are be well. And now we start the remaining part of the chapter third, the Dragon Rocker section 2. See, the days went by slowly, quietly, and most importantly without any rain. Day had that is going to be complete without any rain. The day was dried and dry as there is no rain. There had been no rain in the valley for as long as the children could remember that there was no rain, and day by day getting very hot environment and very dry environment, so there was no rain, so that everyone become very irritate, and it's very hot environment, so that they all are remember there was no rain from many days. The wells were going to dry up. The wells were starting to bring up muddy brown water, and clothes had not to be washed. Yesterday's dishwater means the wells were going to be dry up. वे सूखते जा रहे थे, and the muddy brown water and clothes had to be washed in yesterday's dishwater. And उनमें से the wells is bringing some muddy dirty type of blackish water, and now they had to wash their clothes with that type of dirty water and yesterday's old water, dirty water. The lawns had faded to crisp biscuit color, and the flowers dropped their beautiful heads. And the lone green meadows of the grass, घास के जो हरे मैदान थे, lawns थे, they faded up. They also dried up, वो भी सूख चुके थे, and it become like a crisp बिस्किट कलर्स, एंड इट्स बिकम डार्क ब्राउनिश कलर. बिस्किट कलर सूख कर ऐसे हो गए थे बिस्किट कलर के. एंड द फ्लावर्स ड्रॉप देयर ब्यूटीफुल हेड्स, और जो फ्लावर्स थे दैट इज आल्सो ड्राइड अप completely and drop their beautiful necks, their beautiful heads down. वो सूख कर लटक चुके थे. And even the trees seemed to hang their branches like weary arms. और जो trees थी that is their branches, जो trees की branches थी that is also looking very tired. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे थक कर लटक गई हो. The valley turned browner and drier, thrustier every hot baking day. जो valley थी, द वैली टर्न ब्राउनर, जो वैली थी वो बिल्कुल सूख कर बिल्कुल ब्राउनिश हो चुकी थी, ड्रायर हो चुकी थी एंड थर्स्टी थी. द वैली वॉज नॉट गेटिंग रेन फ्रॉम मैनी ईयर्स एंड फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टाइम, सो दैट द वैली बिकम एकदम ड्रायस, completely dry. So the village folk grew worried and would murmur to each other when passing, with much shaking of the heads and tutus. द विलेज फोक वॉज कलेक्टिंग देयर, जो विलेजर्स थे वो वहाँ पे कलेक्ट थे, एंड दे बिकम वेरी वरिड, वेरी टेंशनाइज, एंड वुड going to be talking about with each other. The villagers were collecting there, and they were all are become very tensionized. वो बहुत ज़्यादा चिंतित थे सभी. And murmur means way of talking. They were talking with each other with passing, and मेकिंग द नॉइज ऑफ टस्टस मीन्स जब हम गले से अपने थॉट से कुछ टच करके आवाज़ निकालते हैं, किसी बात के लिए हम टेंशनाइज होकर बात करते हैं, दैट इज टाइप ऑफ साउंड दे वर मेकिंग. मीन्स दे वर डूइंग द डिस्कशन ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ विद दे आर नॉट गेटिंग रेन, एंड द ग्राउंड वाटर ऑल्सो becoming very low, and wells water also becoming muddy and dirty. So they would look upward, searching for the rain clouds in the clear blue sky, but no ever came. They were watching to the sky in the hope of black cloud in the blue sky. They were searching the rain clouds, but there was no rain clouds in the sky. It was now too hot for the children to play out in the direct sun, and they would gather under the shade of the trees. It was now it was now too hot for the children. It's very hot day of the summers, and it's very warm day for the children also, and they have to play outside in the sunshine. They don't have any type of shady place to play under any type of shades of the tree, because the trees also dried up. जो पेड़ भी थे वो भी पूरे सूख चुके थे. द ड्रैगन विल हेल्प अस सून, सेड वन चाइल्ड. तभी एक बच्चे ने कहा ड्रैगन विल हेल्प अस. ही मस्ट डू समथिंग फॉर अस, वो जरूर से हमारे लिए कुछ करेगा. एंड एग्रीड अनदर, और दूसरे भी इस बात के लिए तैयार थे. आई एम श्योर ही विल. They all nodded there in agreement. They making their neck up and down in with their agreement. वो भी उनकी agreement में, उनके agreement में उनके संग थे, और वो अपनी गर्दन हमें जो थे वो रेस्पॉन्स कर रहे थे. A week went by with no change. एक week निकल गया था, but there was no changes. The people struggling along as best as they could. The people doing struggle and they are doing as best as they could. जितना अच्छा वो कर सकते थे वो कर रहे थे. But some were getting cross the dragon and would cast angry. Some were crossing the dragon and making angry. Sideways looks as it is when passing. वो उसे साइड से देख रहे थे जब वो वहाँ से गुजरते थे. The villagers were becoming skinny and sullen. Skinny and sullen, lean and thin. Villagers become very lean and thin and very tidy. Just like a skeleton, their body become just like a skeleton. Villagers थे वो सूख कर बहुत ज़्यादा पतले दुबले हो चुके थे जैसे कि कंकाल. Meanwhile the children had a plan, and according this the children had a plan. The children making some plan in their mind, and quickly and quietly. The children were just, as we already know that everyone knows the dragon will help us when we have a great problem, so that the children were planning in their minds to do something. उनको उनके दिमाग में कुछ प्लान चल रहा था कुछ करने के लिए. The moved invisibly and around the village. They moved towards the out of the village and doing some plan, picking and plucking the fading flowers. They were plucking and picking यानी चुन रहे थे, कुछ तोड़ रहे थे. They collect the beautiful flowers, fading flowers. उन्होंने कुछ सूखे हुए फूल जो भी as they were finding the flowers, जैसा भी फूल उन्हें मिल रहा था, they were plucking and picking with outstretched and bucket up to their chins. वो they were doing welcomes of the flowers, and जो भी how much they are collecting their flowers, they were doing collection of the flowers, and they fill the buckets to their chin, and they rustled over where the giant rock lay, and they run towards where the giant rock, the dragon rock, was there as still as ever, जैसे कि वो वहाँ पर थी. The boys and girls placed bunches of the flowers. Boys and girls जो बच्चे थे, children placed bunches of the flowers around the dragon in a big circle. उन्होंने बहुत बड़े सर्किल में फ्लावर्स के बंच वहाँ ड्रैगन के चारों ओर लगाए. And they scattered petals around its head and over its nose. उन्होंने एक ब्यूटीफुल petals जो फूलों की पंखुड़ियाँ थी वो भी इनके सर के आसपास, ड्रैगन के हेड के आसपास और इसकी नोज़ के आसपास लगाई. Then dance around and around it, and they danced around it of the circle, skipping and chanting the rhyme they all knew so well. अब वो उस rhyme को, they were singing the rhyme, they were making the prayer to the dragon, as they all know they are doing very well. What was the poem? In times of trouble the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. जब भी कठिनाई के दिन आएंगे ड्रैगन हमारी हेल्प करने ज़रूर आएगा एंड हमारे विलेज को टेंशन से और प्रॉब्लम से दूर करेगा बाय मेकिंग ए लेक, और एक झील बनाएगा. The soaring heart made them dizzy and fizzy, and finally they all fell in a sprawling. Severe heat, तेज गर्मी, the great hotness and hot made them dizzy. They all are making very puzzled and irritated, and they all are become very tensionized, irritating, and very hot summer day. So here and there the great heat was there, and they were finally जो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान थे, they were sitting on their legs. वो अपने पैरों को फैलाकर बैठे at the sprawling heap at the bottom of the mount. उस चट्टान पे वो लोग अपने पैरों को फैला के बैठे थे. And they looked up at the rock, और वो उस चट्टान की तरफ देख रहे थे. Nothing happened, कुछ नहीं हुआ था. They were making the prayer to the dragon, please help us, we are in a trouble. वो हम एक परेशानी में हैं. Nothing happened. A dry wind lazily picked up some flowers' heads and swirled them around. The air was thick with pollen and perfume. Suddenly, a dry wind spread spread all over some flowers heads, some petals spread on there and swill spread करती है, बिखेर देती है them around, चारों तरफ. The air was thick and pollen and perfume. The air was full of with the pollen and perfume of the flowers. हवा जो थी वो फुल थी pollen से, पराग कणों से और खुशबू से फूलों की. A stony grey nostril twist. I saw something, cried the youngest boy. और ये सब हवा जो थी उसके नॉस्ट्रिल्स के पास से गई थी. आई सॉ समथिंग, क्राइड द यंगेस्ट बॉय. तभी एक छोटा बच्चा कहता है आई सॉ समथिंग, मैंने कुछ देखा है. एंड नाउ एन ईयर swelled like a periscope, and the ground began to rumble. Look out, run, run, the children screamed in all directions, shrinking and squalling arms and pumping with excitement. On that time, the small boy cried, I saw something, मैंने कुछ देखा है. And they start intentionally, and वो intentionally वहाँ कुछ देखता है. And ears swelled like a periscope, तभी उसके कान जो हैं turned like a long tube with the mirrors like. तभी अचानक वो देखते हैं कि ड्रैगन के जो ईयर्स थे वो अचानक पाइप्स में चेंज हो रहे हैं. द ग्राउंड बिगन टू रंबल, जो ग्राउंड थी दैट इज रंबल, दैट इज शेकिंग, वो हिल रही थी, धूज रही थी, धड़धड़ाने की आवाज़ आ रही थी. लुक आउट, रन रन, दे क्राइड, वो बहुत तेज़ी से कहते दौड़ो दौड़ो, बाहर देखो. The children scampered. The children were run quickly, very fast, in all directions. Sabhi, in every direction, what they are finding the place to run from there to save their life. They run, and now shrinking. They were very frightened. वो डर चुके थे. And squalling. They were crying, making high voice, making some cry, and they were crying. And arms pumping with excitement. They were pumping their arms with the excitement. वो बहुत तेज़ी से डर गए थे. चट्टान हिल रही थी, रॉक वाज रम्बलिंग, एंड नाउ दे वर रनिंग हियर एंड देयर. द रम्बलिंग ग्रू एंड ग्रू, और जो ये डीप हैवी जो वॉइस थी, जो रम्बलिंग थी और जो हिलने की आवाज़ें थी, दे वर बिकम वेरी हाई, वो बहुत तेज होती जा रही थी इन ए हाई पिच. एंड द ड्रैगन रेज इट्स स्लीपी हेड, ड्रैगन गहरी नींद से अपना सर उठा रहा था. The dragon raised its sleepy head, जैसे कि गहरी नींद से सोकर उठ रहा है. It got onto its front feet and sat like a dog. And now the dragon raised its sleepy head. Dragon ने अपना नींद में से सर उठाया. And it got onto its front feet and sat like a dog. और ये अपने सामने के पैरों पे एक डॉग की तरह बैठ गया. It stood up and stretched, arching its long scaly back like a sleeky tabby cat. It stood up, stretched, ये बिल्कुल खड़ा हो चुका था, स्ट्रेच कर रहा था. And arcing its long scaly back like a sleek tabby cat. It sits like a tabby cat, and it's blinked and looked around with big eyes and kind and long lashed eyes. He was watching everywhere with his big long lashed eyelashed eyes. And then its nostril twisted and quiet again, and he was taking a smell.